Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to put a comma in Photomath. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into this video. So first of all, for this you need to simply tap open your Photomath app. So once you open it, you need to now navigate to the calculator screen. Once you're in the calculator screen, the math keyboard will appear at the bottom of the screen. Now, once you have found this, you need to locate the comma symbol on the math keyboard. After doing this, simply tap on the comma symbol to insert it into the math problem you are working on. You can use other symbols and functions on the math keyboards to input or edit your math problem as well. So by following this simple and easy way, you can simply put a comma in Photomath, or you can also apply the same step to put different kind of symbols on the math problem itself. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.